Hello, everybody. Now, we're coming up to quite a special moment in our history. We wanted to share it with you. We're coming up for our 200th blog.
Yes, from very early beginnings, back in 2016, we've ploughed on, we've grown our numbers, we've opened an online shop, we've got gardening tips from Elaine, we've got Louise's lovely Great Plants This Month column.
We've been giving quite a few lectures now, and we've attended all sorts of garden events, days, and we've published 2 books.
We have. We've been on quite a journey, but we couldn't have done this without you. We've had so much support from the people who follow us, you guys, and it's been fantastic. It's really spurred us on. It's really given us encouragement. We really wanted to say a huge thank you.
Yeah, absolutely, and we'd love to welcome more people to our garden gang. So please drop our name for all your friends and family and get them to join in the fun too.
So we are off to celebrate our 200th blog together in the traditional style. And in the meantime, we'd all like to wish you a very Merry
Christmas.